As I have told you that I will represent some projects in front of you. So today I am with a project team. So my name is Niku Viswal and I am your friend from India. So welcome to back my channel Draw with Niku. Yes, today I am with a project and that project is very important. So it is mostly given in school to school students or it is given in office, or if we are handling any training or any projects, so it is very useful, and there is a very strong message for our world or for our earth or eventually to us. So yes, that how to save our earth, water, tree as well. Yes, like all three things are combined each other whenever you will search this video, so it will be visible on your channel. Yeah, so with very easy steps I will give you a step-by-step method that how you can do it very easily, well, and with very simple color, so you will not face any challenge with that. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, we will draw from the earth position, that means from the upper level. So for that I have taken this cap, and you have to put this cap at the center, just upper center of this paper, okay? And after that just take your pencil and press it very gently, and as you can see our earth is drawn, okay? So for now we will draw the hand gesture, then another line from this position and bend it. This is a thumb. Just make it very slow so that if you will do some mistake, then you can erase them. As you have taken it very smoothly so that you can erase it very normally, and I am going to erase that one, okay? So just wait for that. So take this eraser and just erase the lines which you do not want. So now I'm going to give a final design, or you can say a final line, and after that I will start my color, okay? So wait for that. Earth is the only one and unique planet in the world. So where life exists, we live there. So it is a beautiful place which is given by God, and we are living inside it. So we have to protect it for us, for our future. So let's join our hand together and save our earth. So now let's draw the nail. For that you have to take this line and just make a small curve. So now we will give the more details to our picture. That means I will give a leaf, so which will represent about a tree. Trees are those resources who give us oxygen, which is very important for all living beings. So let's protect our trees and lives as well. So for that I will take the line. Just try, it will be placed at the middle one. Many human beings and many more lives are not capable to get sufficient water. Even a drop of water is very important for our life. So let's save it. And let's give some details on our earth, like the parts which are distributed. So like some jungle area, some water area, some soil area. Our beautiful nature has gifted us ample of resources for our use. We are using all the things, all the resources, and at the same time people are just utilizing all those in very unnecessary ways. So those ways are the very bad thing to pollute our water, soil, mines, everything. So if we are going to lose all those things, we cannot see our future very soon. So for that we have to afforest our planet, not deforestation. We do not have to do the things. We have to afforest. We have to save our minds accordingly. We have to utilize all those resources very bravely and very gently and very talentfully. I will take line on the area and I will not place my hand on this picture. It is quite important to be aware of all those pollutions or all the losses of our earth, and to aware all the people around us, and to educate our children so that they can also learn that what to do and what not to do. Yes, we have to teach it, we have to read it, and eventually we have to implement all those activities regarding to save our earth. And it is very easy to plant at least one, maybe according to your 1 day, maybe 2 days, or one plant for 5 days, or one plant within 1 month. So it's up to you that how you are loving towards our nature. So let's plant ample of trees and make our earth greenery, so that we will stronger our hand together and can save our all lives. Human is one of the living being in this world who is very intelligent. So we have to utilize our brain in a very positive way, not in a negative way. And in that method, or in that way, we can be strong, we can save, and we can protect our life, and we can save our resources for our future generation. So it's all about us, that how we are making pollution or how we are cleaning. It's all about depend upon our education. So for that we have to be very educated. So I will draw line to show that which part are all those. And now I am going to naming all. So I hope I have given you a strong message through this project one by one, and let's implement all those things from this project, that how we can save and enjoy. So hi guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching till the last moment of this video. And if you like this type of projects, so definitely I will bring for you. And if you have any recommendation for your picture or for your new topic, so that you can drop on the comment section. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon, so that you will get all the notification of the upcoming videos. Until that time, practice this project, and bye bye.